Good morning, students. Today I will start chapter 9, Measurement. The system of measuring length, weight and capacity, which is used all over the world, is based on the multiples of 10. It is also called metric system. अब मीट्रिक सिस्टम क्या है बेटा? वो सिस्टम जिससे हम किसी चीज़ की लेंथ, वेट या कैपेसिटी मेजर करते हैं इन द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 10, in the forms of 10. Standard units of length. Some standard units of length are given here: millimeter, centimeter, decimeter and meter. How millimeter is related to centimeter, centimeter is related to decimeter and so on. I will explain each relation turn by turn. First of all, you need to understand the basic units in the metric system are meter for length, gram for weight and liter for capacity. Now see, here I have written some units. Okay, these are the prefixes. Basic unit is meter for length, gram for weight, liter for capacity. So three units are smaller than meter, basic unit, which are deci, centi, milli. In case of when we measure length, then it will be decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, and three are bigger than the basic unit: decameter, hectometer, kilometer. So these are the bigger units than the basic unit and these are the smaller units than the basic unit. Okay, so these are the prefixes: deci, centi, milli, deca, hecto, kilo. We write with the basic unit. Okay, now first relation is 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. How it is related? See here, if I write 0 here under the milli and 1 here, so 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Next relation is 10 centimeter is equal to 1 decimeter. So write 0 here, 0 here, okay, and 1 under deci. So 1 decimeter is equal to how many centimeters? 10. Okay, 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. Or if I want to convert deci into milli, then 1 decimeter is equal to what? 100 millimeter. It is written here 100 millimeter. Question is 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter. Now see, start from centi. So write first 0 here, second 0 here and 1 here. See, now 1 meter, here is meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Clear? 100 centimeter. Now 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 meter is equal to 1000. 1, 2 and 3 is here. 1000 millimeter. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter up to here and 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter up to here. Next is 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. See here. So write here 0. First of all, just try to understand deca also. See, if I write 0 and 1 here. See, so 1 deca meter is equal to 10 meter. Hecto will be 1, 0, 0. Hecto will be related to this way. 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. Okay, so the next is, see, 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meters. Now if I take kilo, just relate kilo with meter. So 1 kilometer is equal to, how many zeros are here? 3 zeros. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. See here the relation, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Beta, since hecto, deca are not in your course, so no need to be focused on these. Just focus on kilo, basic unit and centi. Okay, in the next exercises we will just deal with kilo, basic and centi. So here I will teach you 2 rules to convert bigger units into smaller units and smaller units into bigger units. Now you are very much familiar with kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Kilometer is bigger unit and millimeter is the smaller unit. We move this to bigger unit to smaller unit. Now see here, the first rule is BSM, big to small multiply, big to small multiply. Okay, so when we move from bigger unit to the smaller unit, we have to multiply by 10 for every move to the right. This is the right side, okay, for every move to the right. Is that clear? That is why in the beginning of your chapter it was written that the metric system is based on multiples of 10. Now see here, kilometer to hectometer multiply by 10, hecto to deca multiply by 10, deca to meter multiply by 10, meter to deci multiply by 10, deci to centi multiply by 10, centi to milli multiply by 10. Okay, the first rule is clear, big to small multiply. Let's take one example. If question is to convert 5 kilometer equal to dash meter, okay, dash meter. So I have to convert big unit into small unit. We know that kilometer is bigger unit than the meter. So now question is with which number I should multiply. See here now, kilo to meter I have to move. How many moves I will take? 1, 2, 3. So multiply by 10, 10 and 10 means I have to multiply by 1000. Okay, so 5 multiply by 1000 will be meter. So answer is 5000 meter. Is that clear? 5000 meter. Now next rule is small to big divide. Small to big divide. Now see this relation. To convert smaller unit into bigger one, divide by 10 for every move to the left. Now this is the left side. If you are moving from smaller unit to the bigger unit, then divide by 10. See, first step, divide by 10, divide by 10 and so on. Okay, let us solve one example. See, I take the reverse of first example. 5 meter is equal to dash kilometer. See, earlier I have taken 5 kilometer into meter. Now 5 meter into kilometer. Let us see. So here, how the meter is related to kilometer? It is, see here, meter to kilometer. 1, 2, 3. I have to take 3 moves. 1, 2 and 3. So divide by 1000. Divide by 1000. Is that clear? First move means divide by 10. Second move again divide by 10 means 100. Third move again divide by 10 means total 1000. So if I divide 5 meter by 1000, my answer will be in decimal numbers, 0.005 kilometers. Is that clear? It is 0.005 kilometers. Since you may not be able to understand this decimal, so I take one more example. 1, 2, 3, 4 meter. One, two, 3, 4 meter. So divide by 1000. So you know that if I divide by 1000, then the last 3 digits will become remainder, and this will become, last 3 will become meter, and this will become kilometer. 1 kilometer, 234 meter. Okay. See, one rule is given here in your book, page number 124. While adding kilometer and meter, there should not be more than 3 digits in a column. 3 digits in meter column. Okay, so in meter column, there will be always 3 digits. I will explain how. See, meter is a bigger unit what are the smaller units than the meter? Deci, centi, milli. Okay, so 3 units are smaller than this meter, so the meter will be having 3 places. Okay, so there will be 3 digits in the meter column.